Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Sony. And firstly, you need to check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So if you have Apple device, I recommend it to go to the settings and then to the Bluetooth. And if it's disabled, just click at this slider near to it. If you have Android, open Control Panel and enable your Bluetooth here if you haven't it at the connected devices. Now, after that, these earbuds should reconnect automatically, but on especially Apple devices it do not reconnect automatically, so then just tap at your headphones at the device list. And we have connection. Now, if it method didn't help you, we need to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, turn off your headphones by press and hold at the power button on your left ear cup. And after that, we need to turn on these headphones, so press and hold at the power button again. Here we go, and now your headphones should reconnect to your phone, and we have connection here. If these methods also didn't help you, we need to remove and add these headphones. So first I recommended to turn off your headphones, and then at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Now click forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And now we need to enter pairing mode, so press and hold power button until the LED light starts flashing red and blue. It's something like 6 seconds. And right here we have it, then you tap at your headphones here. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly, we should turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button. And then you need to press and hold at the same time power button on your left ear cup and play pause button or multifunctional button on your right ear cup. So press and hold at the same time until the LED light flashing 4 times. So press and hold. Here we go, we have 4 flashing, and now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, also click pair new device and then turn on your headphones. And after factory reset, these headphones should enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap at your headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!